You're recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Mm-hmm.
What's up, vendors? Super vendors back again. This time we're trying to change the labels on the machine. I got it too high out there, you know, it's my first time, so I just try to put out the price, and we're gonna lower it down to 50 cents or so, see how that works out. Yeah, let's just begin. If you guys haven't already, like and subscribe. Right there, right? So these are the new labels. We actually just kind of printed these off of a label printer and stuff like that. It's obviously different than these ones, but you know, just a little bit of dollars here and there. We'll see what it looks like. So pretty simple. You just take it off like that. Simple. It comes out. It kind of like hooks in underneath the little edges there. Right there. Take off the old label here. Will actually fit there. It's going to be hanging a little bit, but I guess I'm going to have to fix that up after. Kind of simple like that. It doesn't look too bad, does it, guys? Not too bad if I do say so myself. Just got to cut this part off here. So I'll do the same thing with the rest of them. Just come through, take it off. Simple like that. That's just one part though, obviously.
Can you make a bloopers video?
Yeah, we could also use these for bloopers. And everything that's in the bag. Your blooper.
How to steal 101?
How to steal 101.
Walk up and take it and run?
So yeah, this is the top row here is finished. Pretty simple. You'd have to change the prices though, that's the part,
You have to change the prices?
I'm not actually literally have to change it in the system. Right? So,
how do you do that?
So we're gonna teach them. So
You're gonna, okay.
Pretty much good. Like 350 cents. Alright, on to this guy.
Shake you, warrior.
Shake you, Aria. Shaking. Just shaking. If you haven't, like and subscribe. Follow Super Vendors on all social media. Super Vendors. Also, if you live in the general Mississauga area, go in the Uber Eats, man. We're out there. Skip the dishes, DoorDash. We got a partnership with them, so you know.
No, I don't know. Please explain further.
Well, now you know, you know. If you don't know, you know. Just because some of the labels are very long and stuff, so the strips, so that's why I had to start from this side like that and kind of stick it in. I gotta cut them down to size, so that's my problem, I guess. Just as long as I can see the numbers.
So drop your dollars.
Drop your dollars. I've been having a little issue with my coin, with my card reader. The card reader with the companies, they've been giving me the runaround for the past month. So far,
Bring your dollars.
It's only been cash or coin transactions instead of cards and whatnot. The credit card portion works, but they're telling me that it should be able to, that device should be able to accept both credit card and debit, but I don't know.
Well, do you have a credit card?
I do not own a credit card. But today I saw a transaction the other day saying that a credit card was used.
Hey!
So maybe that works, but not everybody got a credit card, man.
Mine's just cut off.
Yours just cut? Yeah. So, here we are, man. Thank God I got, you know, something going on.
Some
Yeah, we
tickets.
should put like a golden egg in here and be like, yo.
You can get free pack. You can get a free gift bag.
Free
Free gift bag.
Yeah. So these ones are pretty sick because like you just kind of like roll them up.
They all don't do that?
No.
That's some bullshit. Why is that one empty? Stock up.
You gotta stock that up. I think that was a pineapple.
Ooh, pineapple's popular, guys.
Pineapple. Yeah.
For all you females out there, buy your man some pineapple.
Pineapples.
Trust me.
Okay, so we did the first part of the just changing the labels. So now we gotta actually change the actual pricing in the actual machine now, correct? So usually what you do is open up your little service panel, go in here, you press your service button, press it down hard, back up this way.
You have to reset every single one?
So yeah, but I can just do like a row. So service menu, okay, cool. So we got it here. So now, as you were actually asking there, so we're gonna go to prices. F is to enter for this Seaga brand of machine. So you can set either all as one price. You can set the trays as a price, or you can set just individually. So we're gonna do trays because, well, it's kind of how I have it. We'll do the B. B. $4. I'm gonna change them to $3.50. That should be it. So now main tray, so let's see B4. $3.50. Perfect, guys. Okay. So let's do the C tray. We'll press G to get back. Tray, main price tray. C1, $2.25. We're gonna change that to $1.75. F. Perfect. Let's see if it works. So we'll do C3, $1.75. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to. I'm gonna go back. G's back. We're gonna go to tray D1. D1 is $3. We're gonna change it to $2.50. So 250. Enter. Good. Let's check it out. Let's do D3. Make sure it works. D3. Perfect. 250 in the last row. We're gonna change it to E. So G to get back. We're gonna press E1. E1 says $1.75. Now we're gonna say $1.25. F for enter. We're gonna test it out now. We're gonna say E4, $1.25. That's about it, ladies and gentlemen. So if everything in here looks good for you guys, hopefully you guys like and subscribe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can give you a more helpful tips and hints. Happy vending.